I have officially made it to the hotel. This is the this week's vlog. I'm gonna be traveling to Vietnam.
Street food. This is
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, hi, my name's Carmen and welcome to my digital diary. In this week's vlog, I'm going to be traveling to Vietnam and I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I'm going to be going with my whole family this year and I'm super excited. Okay guys, so I was editing my video and I found out that I didn't really finish my intro. But anyways, let's get on with this vlog. Good morning everyone. There is currently one day left until we travel to Vietnam. But before that, I do want to do a Lucan haul because I did get some things from Lucan. Okay, first thing I got was this really cute pink beanie. Next, I got this really cute black t-shirt that has a swirl on it. Then I also got some jorts, but these are actually massive. Look at how big these are, but I love how cute it is. And then last but not least, this is a little bit of a different style. I got this bag for my carry-on bag and just to wear it in like Vietnam and Korea. And then they also gave me these stickers, which are so cute. Okay, now that we're done with the haul, I do have to wash my clothes because my pile is getting massive, and I do also have to wash my bed sheets. So let's go do that.
What the dog doing?
Disgusting, like I was sweating. Oh my god.
Oh, they want orange chicken. These are my
Got money to back me up.
so good. The chair is literally so low. But anyways, we're having lunch at Whole Foods today. I got some sesame cucumber noodles, tofu, and orange chicken.
And I got only the sesame noodles. Usually I get more, but I was just in the mood for it today.
Looks so yummy. Okay guys, we're currently heading over to Target to get some snacks and essentials because we do still have some time to spare, so we're gonna go do that, and then we have to wait for around maybe like a few minutes until the Airbus comes. But other than that, we're literally chilling. And I'm so sad to leave my dog behind. I'm gonna miss her so much. Okay guys, so we are finally on the Airbus. We are going to be taking off in a few minutes and the ride should be around 3 hours to get to the airport. But this is my seat. It's actually really spacious as well. I just have my bag here, but other than that, yeah, it's not bad actually. I like it. So let's hope this ride goes well because we are going to be on here for 3 hours. But I think we should be fine.
What the dog doing?
Okay guys, so we currently made it to the airport. I probably won't be able to film as much since it's going to be really busy and overstimulating, but I will see you guys after I finish with security and the TSA stuff. Okay guys, so we finally made it through security and everything, and right now we're at this like Japanese like restaurant area in the airport. I got the spicy tuna mayo onigiri because I haven't had one of these in so long, and then my sister got sushi, and then my parents got these really yummy ramen. That's how it looks, so beautiful. But I'm a little bit hungry, so let's eat. I mean
ớt nhưng mà ngon vậy rồi.
What?
And Carmen's was
That's what that.
Ra đây mà nó
ăn hai lần phở.
nên cái tư duy mà nghĩ chỉ làm cho khách
Okay guys, so we just finished eating and now we're heading over to our gate. We are at gate 202 and it's literally right here. So we chillin'. The ramen was literally so good. The broth was so warm and it was amazing. My rice ball was okay because I feel like in America they just don't do it well. If they stay, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? When they do it that way. Enjoy, y'all. We're sitting down right now. I think we're gonna walk around because we did just eat food and like I want to digest. Hey guys, it's currently 11:19 right now. We are getting closer and closer to our boarding time. We're just gonna chill for a little bit longer and then we're probably gonna be boarding soon. My dad got the seats that have like a lot more room so we won't be really like crowded. I'm honestly feeling great right now. After the rice ball, I did have some Takis. I know it's late. The seats here are so spacious. There's so much legroom right here and the TV is gigantic and the seats are so big. Look at these. Look at that. Very big and spacious. Right now I'm gonna get settled in, buckle up and try to use the TV and then I'll see you guys then. We're getting ready to land right now. Okay guys, so we just landed and it was decently smooth and it's like sunrise right now, so it is so beautiful. It is so pretty here guys. It's so spacious too. Hey guys, we're currently waiting in the area to board our next flight, but I think we're gonna be waiting for around like maybe like 2 hours, so I think we're just gonna chill. You don't know, you don't. We are currently in Vietnam right now. I'm so excited and the air is so different here. I'm so excited. Okay guys, we have finally made it into the car. I am so excited for what's to come and I hope you guys are ready. We are also staying at one of these hotels that we've been staying at for the past few years now and we love it because of their quality and service. So I'll see you guys when we're at the hotel. Okay guys, so we have officially made it to the hotel. This is the Saigon hotel. We came here like a couple of years ago and we absolutely love the experience and the people. And now we're just checking into the hotel and they gave us some welcome drinks and it's like a lemonade kind of thing. And it is so good. Alright guys, we officially entered our hotel room. So let's do a little hotel tour. First, over here, you have a full-size body mirror to do your little outfit checks and whatnot. Over here, you enter the bathroom. It is so spacious in here, and the mirror is absolutely gigantic, and you get a gigantic bathtub. And you can also roll this up too, but like, it's the bathroom. Nice, very nice toilet. And then over here, there's so much space here for luggage especially. And we have these two perfect big beds. And my favorite part is the view. Like, look at how nice that view is.
Hi everyone. First night in Vietnam, and we're eating street food. This is bruh-shushubo, delicious rice paper wrap with cooked shredded sausages and vegetable. And here's a sauce. Watch.
Oh, rate it 1 to 10.
Only 20 cents for one roll. Wow. 20 cents. Not 200 cents, 20. One roll. Look, I got 5 rolls.
가만 보면 너는 진짜 너무해 때론 날 무심하게 내패 예친 채 불안함이란 벌을 내려줘 그럴 때면 난 길을 잃은